In the world of fighter jet development, the process from drawing board to runway can take years, even decades. However, a surprise has come from South Korea. The KF-21 Boramae, their ambitious multi-role fighter, is not only progressing according to plan, but is now even being accelerated. A report from a Korean defense analyst reveals a surprising twist. The Philippines' openness to the KF-21 may be one of the reasons behind this major shift in the program. KAI, the manufacturer of the KF-21, is now reportedly working to accelerate the delivery of the Block II variant much earlier than originally scheduled. The question is, will this be a turning point for the Philippine Air Force's long-awaited multi-role fighter program? The KF-21 Boramae, meaning Eagle, is the pride of Korea Aerospace Industries. Designed as a 4.5++ generation fighter, the Boramae bridges the gap between the FA-50 and 5th generation stealth jets. The first prototype flew in 2022, a testament to Korea's ability to build advanced fighter jets at a significantly lower cost than Western counterparts. Initially, the development plan was clear. Block 1 focused on air-to-air combat. Block 2, scheduled for delivery around 2028, would transform the aircraft into a true multi-role platform with the integration of more than 10 air-to-ground and air-to-surface weapons. But now, that timeline has changed. KAI is implementing a new strategy called serial integration, integrating weapon systems in stages but continuously, rather than waiting until the entire system is complete. The result? Block 2 is projected to be ready for export in 2026, 2 years earlier than originally planned. Why the rush? Because export demand is surging. Indonesia, Poland, and the Philippines are said to be the countries showing the greatest interest. KAI has shifted its priorities, deliver core multi-role capabilities immediately, with refinements to follow. For the Philippines, this comes at an opportune moment. The Philippine Air Force has been searching for a heavier multi-role fighter jet to complement its FAR-50PH fleet. The FA-50 is indeed reliable for training, patrols, and limited strikes, but the Philippines needs an aircraft capable of carrying more weapons, flying longer distances, and equipped with advanced sensors to defend its airspace, especially in the West Philippine Sea. The competition has narrowed down to two main candidates, the Swedish Saab Gripen East-BEF and the South Korean KF-21. With program acceleration, the KF-21 Block 2 could potentially be ready by 2026, in line with Horizon 3 of the AFP Modernization program. What makes the KF-21 so attractive to the Philippines? System commonality. The Philippines already operates the FAR-50, a KAI product. This means the training, logistics, and maintenance pathways are relatively familiar. Advanced technology, AESA radar, advanced sensor fusion, open architecture, and compatibility with future stealth versions. Cost efficiency, estimated to be half the price of comparable Western fighter jets, with similar or even comparable performance. Sustainability of support. The more countries consider the KF-21, the stronger the guarantee of long-term continuity of spare parts and upgrades. Analysts believe the Philippines' openness is not just a show of interest, it's a strategic move. By approaching early, the Philippines is sending a signal, it is a serious partner. It may even become one of the first international users of the KF-21 Block 2. Imagine, in a decade, Philippine skies filled with Boramae squadrons flying FA-50s, supported by SEA-130J transport aircraft, and the latest air surveillance systems. This is no longer just an air force for patrols and training, it's a true regional deterrent. For South Korea, this is proof that it can not only build advanced fighter aircraft but also deliver them quickly, efficiently, and affordably to trusted allies. The KF-21 Boramae is not just a next-generation jet. It could be a major step for the Philippines toward becoming a truly multi-role air force. The question now is, will we see the Philippine roundel adorning the wings of the KF-21 sooner than anyone expected? If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.